Hello! We're going to present number 18 and 23 of our partial project for the first partial.
My name is Raúl.
My name is Fernanda.
My name is Sebastián.
My name is Pablo.
And this is our project.
So, first of all,
We're going to show you the process of the 18th question. So step 1 is identifying the problem. Here you can clearly see that it's going to be an antiderivative problem because you have this sign and this sign, meaning that it will be an antiderivative. So that
Antiderivatives are a key part of the indefinite integrals. Are the opposite of derivatives. In other words, an antiderivative is a function that reverses completely what the derivative does. For example, if you have an x to the fourth, your derivative will be 4x cubed, and the antiderivative will be x 5 over 5, because you are reversing what the derivative does.
That's your first step, identifying. Then for your second step, what you're gonna have to do is put the x upwards, and it's gonna come as a negative, since always if something is down, when you put it up, you're gonna put it as a negative.
so the next step, 8 times 3, which is 24, and x squared times x, which is x3. So here you add 1 again, which makes 4, and you pass 4 to the bottom, and you add c, which is just a number. Don't forget this step. So the next step is just going to simplify. 40 divided by 4, which is 10 x squared, and divide 24 times 4, which is 6x4 plus c.
Probability is the branch of mathematics that helps us calculate the probability of an event occurrence, which is expressed as 0 and 1. For example, 1 is that it's going to happen, 0 is that there's no possibility, and numbers in between is what's the probability that you will get to an occurrence. For example, if you toss a coin, what is the probability that you will have heads or tails? Well, it's 50-50 because you have two possible outcomes, and there's no way to know than from learning probability.
Problem 23 is about a deck of cards. Here we have a complete deck of cards. We are 52 cards. There are 4 of each card. There's hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. Each diamond or heart has 13 cards. So the problems are the following.
Part A is the selecting an ace of cards and then a black queen. This one represents the ace of hearts, and this 52 the total cards in the deck, times 2 of the black queen, and another time the 52. We multiply because it says and then. So, and the answer is 2 over 2,704, and here is the simplified answer. Part B is of selecting a black queen and then an ace of hearts. Since we have 2 black queens, we put a 2 over 52 total cards in the deck, times, because it says and then, 1 over 52. We put 52 because in the problem it says replacing the first one, so we didn't take one card out, and the answer is 2 over 2,704, and this one is the simplified answer.
In part C, we have the next problem, which is pick an ace of hearts and then pick 2 black queens without a specific order. So here we have to do it 2 times first, using the black queens first. So we have here 2 black queens, 2 out of 52. Then we replace the 2 black queens and we take an ace of hearts, which is 1. We do the same thing, multiply it, and it gives us 2 out of 2,704. Then we have to do it to the other way around, which is the same. We pick out 1 ace of hearts over the 52, and then 2 black queens over the 52, multiply it, and we get 2 over 2,704. Then we have to add them. You add them and you get 4 over 2,704. Then what we did is reduce it, which is the answer, 1 over 676.